Welcome to Outgrow. In this quick walkthrough, we will explore the difference between single select and multiple choice question types and how to choose between speed and precision when designing your interactive quiz. When creating a question, you'll see multiple formats to choose from: single select, multi-select, drop down, text input, and more. But the real magic happens when you understand how each affects the user experience. But let's start with single select. This format allows your users to pick one answer only, perfect for questions where there's a clear choice. For example, take this Outgrow quiz question: what's your primary goal for selling on Amazon? Options might include increasing brand awareness, boost revenue and profits, expand product reach, and test new product ideas. Now let's look at multiple choice or multi-select. Here, users can select more than one option, giving you deeper insights into overlapping goals or preferences. Let's see the example from the quiz. How often do you receive product reviews? Rarely, occasionally, regularly, and frequently. So how do you decide which to use? Think of single select as your tool for speed and clarity, and multi-select as your option for depth and precision. If you want users to move quickly through your quiz, stick with single select. But if you're aiming for deeper insights and richer data, go with multiple choice. And that's it. You've just learned how to balance speed versus precision in your Outgrow quizzes. Now go ahead and build smarter, more engaging experiences with the right question type. Choose smart, build fast with Outgrow. Learn more at outgrow.co.